Now I got Nokia T20 and now I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches and screen recorder in this device. So first of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button here, this one. If you don't have this button into your top navigation bar, click pencil. Then scroll down, find here this button and then press and hold and drag to top this button for add. And click back for saving. Now, when you add this button in the top navigation bar, click screen recorder. And now we got record audio option and screen touches option on the screen. So now I got turn off this option, click here to turn on and press start to start your screen recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.